It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JAGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid move. Sure, the price did pull back here a little bit, but even where it closed today relative to where it was, everybody can agree, good solid move. But that does lead to the question, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at the 89-cent mark. Why is 89 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 89 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it's already been. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do over time. They're going to make progress, and those stair steps are just going to get higher and higher. Now, ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can continue to hold up above this point of support right there at 95 cents, that would be the ideal situation. But if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying everything's totally ruined or anything like that, because, again, in my mind, that key point of progress is down there at 89 cents. What about levels of resistance? For this, going to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Seeing if this really makes sense at all. I was going to say right around, so not quite up there. I'm going to call it $1.05. So price got relatively close to it today, at its highs, but still got a little work to do. But to be honest, in my opinion, down the priority list is breaking levels of resistance. High up on the priority list, though, is just going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base. So no doubt about it, today, good solid way to end the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.